Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial I will explain how to find the largest and the smallest word from a list. So let's start the tutorial. Now let's check the final output of our application. Finding the largest and smallest word from the list. From this list I want to find the largest and the smallest. So the command to execute of file finding ls word list.py, my file name.py. When I click enter, notice here I got the original list this is the original list. From this list I got Lalitha is the largest word and the smallest word is here.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial I am using Visual Studio Code. First let's open our folder which is a Python tutorials. And here the Python tutorials folder is added. Let me expand this folder. Now in this folder I'm adding one new Python file called finding largest smallest word and list.py. And here we got the newly created file is open. Now my aim is finding the largest and smallest word from a list in Python. So first we require one list variable. I'm adding, when we want to create a list we require one square brackets. Now inside the square brackets I'm adding some names here: Charan, Jack, Ben, and Lalitha, Kumar, Vijay, and just for the demo purpose I'm adding a small letter A, which is the smallest letter. Now my aim is I want to find the largest and the smallest word from this list. So first let's print the original list, comma list1. Now here largest is equals to, here the method I'm adding maximum list1. From this list1 I'm adding the length is equals to key is equals to, let's add the key is equals to, I'm adding the length. So maximum length I want to find from this list1, and instead of writing the same thing, this is the smallest one, smallest minimum. Instead of maximum I'm adding the smallest, the minimum method. That's it. Now print the largest word is comma lar, this variable I'm adding, and \n, which will give the new line, the smallest word. The smallest word is smallest. This variable I am adding. That's it. We have done the complete coding part. Now let's save this file. We'll check the final output of our application. Go to view, click terminal, and here we got the terminal. Now let's check the final output of our application. Finding the largest and smallest word from the list. From this list I want to find the largest and the smallest. So the command to execute of file finding ls word list.py, my file name.py. When I click enter, notice here I got the original list this is the original list. From this list I got Lalitha is the largest word and the smallest word is here. Suppose here I am adding some Jack, just for the demo purpose I have adding some longest word. Now let's save this file, save all. We'll check the final output. See here, now the original list is this one. Now the largest word is Jack and A. That's it. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.